Acholiland has always had a problem with water. Since we had the insurgents, all these years people don't really have proper water. The sources of water are really congested. When you go to a place, you find a place which is infected.
What we are doing, we are trying to understand the geophysical nature of the Acholi region in terms of water availability, and we are also doing well repair. There are a number of broken boreholes within the Acholi region that are actually broken. So with the program, the collaboration with Israel Aid and advancing teams from Canada, we are trying to help the community to repair the broken holes so that to increase access of water to the community. And the one that we have also in the community, if once it's broken, the community are not able to support themselves to raise money so that they can do a repair of that borehole, which makes the community no choice but to go to a spring that when you look at it, is not good for human consumption. And it's a big risk to the health of the community. And in most situations, you see children are going to pick the water, and the way to go to the well is also risky because they have to move some good distance away from them in order to access water. In total, from the Warm Tech program, we have been able to train 138 students from a different background. We are helping the community to wake up to be responsible and start repairing their borehole and take ownership of everything that we do.
With this program, it has actually made us very able to provide clean water for Acholiland. This has really been so good. And then with the knowledge they've given us, they've given the trainees, it has helped them so much because these are people some of them have not really gone to school. Yeah, but if they can come up with these skills of drilling a borewell, it has really helped them, and it also supports them and their families. And I am happy we can have clean water because I have been seeing everywhere we go, we have clean water and it is treated. Everyone is happy. I feel so fulfilled when I go to a community and we've prepared a borehole or we've drilled a borewell and we are living and everyone is hululating and they are also excited. It is so fulfilling. So Israel Aid and the Canadian team, I don't know, I can't express myself much, but it has really been so fulfilling. My name is Lucy Alok. I'm one of the trainees.